hope you guys are having a great day. Here's a 68 C10 pickup. It's a factory short bed finished in the original color combination. This is light green, one of my favorite colors, and this thing's packing a punch. Come on, let's take a closer look at it. First impressions, this thing has a killer paint job. It is laser straight. Love the color combo. I like how the grille is whited out. Got nice new chrome bumpers. We got upgraded headlamps so you can actually see what you're doing at night. It's pretty good. Something unique about the 67 and 68 C10 trucks. It had this nice slanted hood. It's very aerodynamic. Forget about all this. This is where it's at. And you also get the nice Chevy script across the front. Hood release right here. Smooth, easy action. And bang! Got a 496 stroker in here. This 375 sticker, I believe to be a lie. This thing feels like it's pushing nearly 500 horsepower. A sticker's a sticker, but she is a beast. We'll let you hear it in a moment. It's got an upgraded dual master cylinder with the power booster beyond it. It has a very original firewall, actually. The paint on that firewall is factory, as is the paint on the inner fenders. And there you see it, light green, LT green. And that is what matches, or what's called out on the original SPID tag. So original paint, inner fenders, firewall, all good stuff. It also has power steering, a nice big 4-barrel with that Wien aluminum intake manifold. This was a factory AC truck. You see it has a new condenser, a new dryer. It's got the blend box. It is missing a compressor and some hoses. Everything's present under the dash. So if you wanted to put air on here, it would be a very cheap date. Call me up, we could talk about it. I've just been busy. We needed to get this truck on the interwebs. Call me up, we can talk about the air. Look how that closes. It sits down on the fenders perfectly. The hood fender cowl gap is just crispy, crispy, crispy. When you're shopping around, I know you got a few options when you're looking at C10s for sale. This right here, ladies and gents, it kind of separates the men from the boys who was putting this thing together. Back down to these shoes. It's got new BFG white letter radial rubber. It's a 15 by 8 wide front, done in body color. That nice truck rally wheel. Disc brakes beyond that. Got a new fender badge. We got nice new chrome mirrors. Got good looking rubber, beautiful glass. And we keep moving down this thing. These chrome door handles aren't pitted up. We've got a locking gas cap. Really, really straight bedside. Back here, you say, oh boy, it looks like we got a little bit of tire. We do, and we need every bit of it. That's a 275/60 R15 on a 15 by 10 wide. Oh yeah. Moving on back, I'm digging the white letter on the tailgate to match the roof of this truck and that front grille. Nice new chrome bumper, and we got a nice chrome handle installed in here too. Oh, and they did her up with the hardwood. That just looks sexy. We got new looking wheel tubs. The inner bed sides look fabulous. No denting up by that back wall there. Stainless steel slats, all the right fasteners. This thing looks great. Seals up good. All the lenses are nice and clear. Got the big back glass and stainless bright work around here. Man, oh man. Let's check out the inside. All right, doors open up wonderfully. Nice looking door cards. We have light green exterior over this olive green interior. We have the original olive green belts, date coded to the truck. Have a Idid-It tilt column. Pretty sweet. A little billet wheel wrapped in wood. Got a billet shifter. Speedo goes up to 100 miles per hour. Shows 54,000 miles on the clock. Gauges for our amp meter, our coolant temp, and our oil pressure, all the important things. Choke is here, but it's just for looks. And we have our light pole and our wipers. And then you see it's nice. If this wasn't a factory air truck, we wouldn't have already had all these integrated vents, and you'd be chopping something up to add air. AC and heater controls down here. Aftermarket cup holders, painted to match and installed nice and slick. Moving over, we got our glove box here with the original SPID tag. There will be a close-up of this on our website. Be sure to check out the link in the description. That'll take you over to view the full listing of this truck. And you see in the billet, here is the original shift lever, in case that's your jam. Seals up good. Dash pad does have a split right here. Other than that, not too bad. Visors, they are present. Looks like there's a sticker stuck on the top of the cab. Rear view mirror. Looks fabulous. That's likely been replaced at some point in his life. Top of the cab is good. Finishing body color. The rubbers for the door seals all look to be new. can't tell in the video, this is a like super mean sounding rig. Just cuts it up nice. Shifts the gears wonderfully. Out back is a 12-bolt GM axle, spinning a 373 Posi track gear. We got a turbo 400 on the floor, and you'd seen what we're packing under the hood. So it's got the drivetrain to get it and to take some abuse if you had to lay it down. It's got enough tire to put it down. We're going to test those out here in a little bit when we get some open road. Those power brakes, they're grabbing evenly. Didn't pull the steering wheel any which way. Man, that exhaust is addicting. Seating position is comfortable. I got this steering wheel set where I like it. We're rolling over bumps. Nothing's making any unnecessary noise. It feels smooth. Steering feels good and tight. That power assist is making things a little easier at low speeds. Well, that just got out on us in a hurry. It's not a good look. Have to try that again with a little less pedal. Obviously, really snappy big block. It makes plenty of torque. Maybe with the tires a little warm now, she'll hold on. We'll do that with a little bit more of a roll into it. I haven't been spooked by a pickup truck in a minute. If you're looking for something to toy around with, something to get you from A to B in a hurry, this could be that. You're gonna have the coolest sounding truck pulling into the show, pulling into the gas station, the grocery store, the theater, whatever. This thing's super cool. And the mission from here on out is just to cruise this thing comfortably like it's another day, which it's very capable of doing if you're not hot dogging it like I just was.
Harm reduction. I have been clean for over 3 years. It makes you feel at ease.
Well, the radio's working. This is one unsuspecting truck. This thing's got a lot of power, very light little short bed truck. People forget how light these things are. What I'm getting to, she's fast. That turbo 400, it's shifting good. If you want to know anything more about it, call us up. The number is 248-714-2110. Dial it in your phone. We'd be happy to tell you more about the truck, where it's been, what has been done, how we can get it to you. We offer financing too, guys. We got it all going on. If you'd rather email, it's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Drop us a message and we'll be sure to get back to you in a hurry. In the description of this video, there will be all that information and a link. That link will take you over to view the full listing on the site with pictures all the way around this pretty truck, pictures up underneath this thing, and a nice little build biology of what this truck is. And be sure to subscribe to the channel because our new arrivals pop up on here first. We'll see you next time.